the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a drum kit into the first track, which is a MIDI track. A MIDI track is a track in which I can key in notes. And I'm going to drop in one of my drum kits. In the browser on the left column, I've chosen this thing called drums. And I'm going to choose a drum kit. I'm going to choose a 808 drum kit. It is a very electronic sounding. I'm going to drag it into MIDI track 1. I have turned MIDI track 1 into a drum kit. Now, I am going to click and drag in this space across 4 columns. Click and drag across 4 columns. 4 columns have lit up. I'm going to insert an empty MIDI clip by right-clicking. I right-click, I insert an empty MIDI clip, and now I actually have a grid in which I can drop in different beats. In order to hear what they sound like, I'm going to switch on this little headphone icon here. Headphone icon is on. So now, oh wait, in order to draw them in, I'm going to the top right hand corner and click on this pencil. Okay, so now as I click, okay, I'm going to give some spaces, right? One space, and then I'm going to give another 1 spaces. This grid shows you the beats 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. You see the top here 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. So I'm not doing PE here, but I'm just dropping in these beats here, right? Then I'm going to play from the beginning. To go to the beginning, I press stop twice and I play them. Okay, and then I will add in other kinds of drums. I add in a snare. I'm adding it on the every 2 and 4. 2.1.2, 2.2, 2.4, 3.4. So this is actually semi-random. This is actually faster than I thought I wanted it to be. I actually wanted it to be half of this speed. So at the top left-hand corner, I see that my speed is 160. Actually, I only want it to be 100. So I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to type in 100. So now I have a slower beat. In order to make it come back round again, I'm going to make it loop first so that I can experiment with it. Right click and I loop the selection. So I can now experiment with it. I can start drawing in other things like a hi-hat. Or I can draw in other things like an open hi-hat. I can draw a smiley face. Okay, so now you try.